Now, one of the most useful techniques we use in drawing in AutoCAD is the object snap, and there are various settings that allow us to lock on to existing parts of our geometry, such as endpoints, midpoints, perpendiculars, tangents, centers, and so on. So what we're going to do is draw this drawing using object snap. So the first thing we do with object snap is to turn it on, and down on our status bar here, I'll just wait till the tool tip comes up. It's not wanting to come up. Generally, if you're using object snap, you turn snap off because they tend to fight each other. You can use them together, but it's can often cause more trouble than what it's worth. I'll leave the grid on because that doesn't hurt us, but I've turned the snap off. Okay, and now I'm looking for object snap, which is this guy here. You can see the shortcut key is the F3. Now, looking at the settings, if I right click on that and go to settings, these are the options that we have for object snap. Now, straight out of the box, these aren't all set up, so it's a good idea to go in and set them up initially. The ones that I like to have on are, as you see here, endpoint, midpoint, center, node. Node is a point. You can actually draw a point in a drawing. It doesn't print, but it's accessible by this object snap. Quadrant, the compass points of a circle. Intersection of two lines. Extension, not so much, but if a line is not actually touching but extends and it touches. The rest of them we'll come back to again, but perpendicular and tangent are useful, and we won't worry about these other ones for now. So we've got object snap on, and we'll just go OK there.